Hey, what's up guys, it's Spazzy Banana. Now it's been a while since I made my last video, but you know, I've been busy and stuff, so let's get into today's video. Today we're gonna be playing doing Terraria again. You know, it seems you guys liked the video I made a while back. I like getting views. No, but seriously, I did want to make a tutorial for this game, you know, since it's pretty easy, honestly. So let's get into it. Today I'm gonna be showing you how to kill cthulu pretty quickly. So as you can see already from the start, I'm going mining. Well, first of all, I need the loot to fight the actual boss, but then also if I find a spawner in the caves, that would be... And I died already. So, I mean, what you want at the very least is maybe like a silver bow, which isn't hard to get. Going on this railway, not much to be found, obviously, because we're not that deep down yet. But, you know, it's early cavern, so, you know, I'll probably find a chest or two. And I already found a hole, nice. Okay, I'm going home. This is taking way too long. So, that was obviously, you know, a mistake. In-game, this should take you around like 2 days, maybe. Probably longer if you can't find a spawner or if you just have like a really trash cave system. I'm very good at the game. So right now I'm just trying to get the bow, basically, because although yes, you could, like, if you really want to pull speedrunner stuff, you could go for like a wood bow. But this option is better for like a majority of people, you know, because you have a better chance with the silver bow because you're doing way more damage more quickly too. We're playing on normal mode, obviously, as you can see, because if I wasn't, I'd be dead already. Okay, obviously this is a pretty good cave system. Cave system, and that's a lot of gold. That's exactly what we needed. I'm just fast forward to me mining this gold. Okay, as you can see, we got 92 gold from that, which is really good, actually. I'm just gonna go looking a little longer because for the fight, you really do want Hermes boots because they make you fast, basically. You probably could do the fight without them, but it would be a lot more, like, annoying. Hopefully I don't die to, like, the 100 piranhas on here. And I died to 100 piranhas on here. Well, I'm gonna smelt this gold, make a gold bow. And there's two things we need to do. We're gonna need to go to the snow biome and get some fire arrows so that we can make, I think, frostburn arrows, something like that. That's what they're called. But basically, these arrows are really good because they do way more damage. I think they do... Okay, so these do 7. I think they do like 9 or something. I'm not entirely sure. But they do more damage, and that really does add up in there. And in the fight, you want all the advantages you can get. For now, I think we're doing pretty good. I just need to get some more cobblestone so I can smelt this. Okay, this should be enough stone to make a furnace. It's not. And again, we go to get more cobblestone. Okay, 30 just in case. Okay, back home. Furnace. Okay, we're going back to where I died, so, because I saw a chest around here. I could try going for the silver helmet, but I don't have enough silver to make a full set. Yeah, we'll take a make silver helmet. Making our arrows, we have a lot of arrows right now. Flaming arrows, we have a few. First of all, I'm going to a desert. I think there's a desert this way. And then a snow biome. So, first of all, I can get cactus armor, which is, it's okay. It's good for your first boss fight, basically. Cactus here. Cactus. Okay, so we have 34 cactus. Hopefully there's another desert this way. We already have 2 lenses. To make a spawner, you need 6. So maybe 2 more nights, and I should be fine. Jungle, not exactly what I wanted, but I could probably find good loot here. Chest? Let's see if it has anything decent. Nice. Okay, umbrella. This stuff's good too, just because I kind of need it. Not much, but whatever. One last chest over here. Okay, there we go. Wand is sparking. No, yes, and also OP gun. The OP gun. And these altars are what we need to, what's it called? Make the spawner for the cthulu, basically. In the underground jungle, there's a lot of, like, stuff you can find pretty easily, too, because the caves are usually bigger. Okay, let's make a sticky bomb, because I don't really want to have this bomb be moving and stuff. Okay, we got both silver and gold. So, obviously this isn't the most realistic representation of what could happen, because people are going to be looking for cactus armor and stuff. But since I did figure, you know what, maybe going to the mines. Actually, there's some silver there. I decided, you know what, let's go mining. Silver's easy, pretty good for the fight. Better than cactus for sure. And if you do want to go for the option that takes more time, you could go for silver. Would I recommend silver? Yeah, I would actually, because it's not that hard to find. And cactus just isn't that good, so yeah. Now, cthulu, it's not a hard boss, is the thing, but what's it called? When you're barely starting off, maybe like the few attacks it has can be kind of difficult. Oh my god, dude, I'm getting bombarded. Okay, we died. Obviously, it's gonna happen a lot. But I did get enough gold to probably make enough armor, so let's see. Okay, we got 16 silver. Okay, we got a lot of arrows. And let's make our cactus armor. Cactus breastplate. And nothing else because we don't have enough. Okay, time to go mining again. No, not mining actually. We're just gonna go adventuring because I do need to find a snow biome if I want to stick to what I was doing earlier. Corruption, not what I hoped for, but this is good too. Face monsters, not too hard to kill. So we will need to come back here later, probably, if we do want to make the spawner or whatever. But for now, we're going to pass through, just because, you know, I don't need it. Yeah, snow biome, exactly what I needed. So we're just going to get a lot of snow, basically. But yeah, let's just get our ice blocks. We're going to try getting enough for maybe 200 arrows, because, you know, it's not going to be that long to fight, but we'll take a while. Okay, so to make the frostburn arrows, we need an ice torch, which you can make with just a regular torch and ice. So we have our 28 ice torches. Let's see how much damage it does. 17, 9 versus 7. Going home. Frostburn arrows. Okay, well we have 500 frostburn. Let's go to the desert again, try getting the pants. Okay, we have our cactus. Going home. We have 20, that should be enough for pants. And it's not. I'll make mahogany greaves, doesn't matter. I don't have like set anyway, so that's whatever. Okay, 5 defense, probably could have got better. Now we're just waiting for the night to fall. The boots aren't necessary, but you do need a swiftness potion, which I think I'm gonna get a recipe. I'll post it like future me. It's on screen. Oh my god, so cool recipe, guys. Now, if you look at my inventory right now, you can see I have Jester's arrows, right? And they are very good. They have penetration. They're good for a lot of things. But you can be asking right now, you're like, why aren't you just using those instead of the other ones, you know, that I got? The thing is, they're a lot harder to get or whatever. The falling stars, right, they only come so often, but I can go to snow biome and get a lot of these frostburn arrows really quickly. So I just made a battle potion so that I could get more mobs spawning, and you make it with a deathweed and a vertebrae. Okay, eye, lens, nice. Please, lens, please. Lens, another eye. 5, nice, man. Start walking towards crimson. Eye, feeling lucky about this one. Oh no, yeah, lens. Okay, we have enough lenses to make the spawner. No, note that I'm playing by myself, so the health will be lower, but... Okay, we have our spawner. Going home. Alright, so let's pop our potions, and 3, 2, 1. Spawning in the boss. Okay, he spawned in. He's already taken a lot of damage. Okay, let's use our Jester arrows since they do the most damage. Already knocked off a decent chunk of his health. This is good, it's on fire. Hold on, that was good. It's almost day. Should be fine. He's not fine. No, you probably shouldn't try doing it like as late in the night as I did, just because once it's day he will despawn. Okay, he's going into second stage. He will start pushing faster and more often, but it's not that bad. As you can see, I've found a bottle, common item, easy to get, and it counters him pretty well. He's low. He has 600 health left, 500 drow now, 400, 330, 280, 190, and he's gone. Wasn't a very hard fight, although it did take a little bit of preparation. As you can see, I didn't lose much health, and I only had 3 potions, which were pretty easy to get as well. So, yeah, just try it out. You will get Crimtane if you're going in a Crimson World. And what's it called? With this Crimtane, we can make, I think, the Tendon Bow or something like that. Very good bow, very fast as well. And as you can see, it just does way more damage, faster too. But yeah, that's gonna be it for the video. I'll probably use this world more often for my other boss tutorials. And if you guys have any suggestions, maybe let me know in the comments. Sorry for being inactive for so long. And yeah, until next time, guys, this is Spazzy Banana, and I'll see you in the next one.